Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve guys screen rotate problem on oppo phone device. Friends, your phone screen rotate automatic. And how to solve screen rotate problem? Friends, you can see when I use guys any app on my phone, example guys Google. Friends, you can see my screen rotate automatic guys. When I move my phone, and friends my screen rotate automatic. So when how to solve screen rotate problem on oppo phone device, today friends I am going to show you in this video friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on guys your phone display and brightness setting. After on friend display brightness friends, you can see this type of interface, your auto brightness, eye comfort, auto switch setting. Friends, you will find here auto rotate. So friends, by mistake you have on and enable this setting. Friends, you click this icon and guys you forget. So you will have to only tap this icon guys, your problem will solve easily. Friends, now you can use your YouTube app without screen rotate. Friends, you can see Google app. Friends, you can see screen will not rotate automatic on our oppo phone device guys. So like that guys, we can solve a screen rotate problem. And friends, you can solve easily one more setting. Friends, click on your phone setting and friends click on search option auto rotate. Direct friends search here auto setting, and friends you can search here auto rotate. So friends, tap here friends, easily friends you can find the setting any android device, any oppo phone friends you have on. So you will have to only tap, your problem will solve. So like that we can solve screen rotate problem on oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Friends, do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.